The views and opinions expressed in this show are solely those of the hosts and guests and do not reflect the views of the AMP network. Parental guidance is advised for viewers under the age of 16, as some content may include strong language. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hello, everybody. This is Ton of Mash, Ton of the Wave. You can fuck around and drown off this wave. Welcome to the Girls Show. I'm not flying solo today. I got my girl with me, not a stranger to the channel. Who you is, B?
The one. The only. Up this way. That's me.
It's Nomfundo Kama. Back in the studio with another one.
Hi, guys.
Let me tell you guys. You guys see how the episodes have been coming out? The last time I shot an episode was in April or May. I still had chubby cheeks. And now I just have cheeks. So, welcome to this episode.
And a banging body. And a banging body.
Ni slender, guys. Ni slender. Malang ang I don't have a bum anymore. I have a bummer.
Welcome. Ngiyaphilega khona.
Ngiyaphilega
khona. Nakunathi lezi ezizithwale kwaze kwabala.
Yazini mpemi.
Ah?
Your 16 years of life. Yonke. Yonke.
No,
man, Yazin, I was having a conversation with a cousin of mine and I was telling her, I don't know if ngimdala noma ngimncane. I feel the same. Right. Oh my God. How old are we? Like,
sometimes I mean, I think it's because our birthday is in December. So we experience our age before we turn that age. By the time we turn that age, we've done everything.
You've done everything of that age.
Yes.
But I think for me, it's more of, I'm not quite sure where I fall within the demographic. And all of a sudden, so when I'm
so you're not in your early 20s anymore.
No, approaching
Mid.
See, approach. You understand good after I was approaching. Next year, just approaching. Baby.
It's a real death.
No, for real.
It's a real death.
No, yes, it's here to because it's like I'm begging
it's a real
just
death.
now. And the thing about it just comes with its own challenges as well. Like,
yeah,
you know, if you had told me 6 months ago, that this is where I would be now.
Lies.
Lies.
What? Is that a good or a bad thing, though?
It's a good thing, I guess, because you're so much. My eyes have been opened to so many things that I was like oblivious to, and there's just so much growth that has happened. So it is a good thing, but it's hard to let go of certain things. But you have to let go of them nonetheless. So I guess it's a good thing.
Yeah. Okay.
Where are you at this point as compared to the last time we spoke?
A lot has changed.
Of course. Of course.
A lot has changed. For the better.
Oh, I love that.
For the better.
I love that. I love
nice.
that.
It's a good space, It's a good space. I think we're in a good space.
Mm-hmm.
We're steady. Everyone is steady. There's no what do you call it? Current in the waves.
Oh yes. Calm seas.
We're sailing. We're
sailing.
But I get so scared when I say we're stable because I feel like I'm jinxing it. It's like saying a casualty at a hospital. Oh, it's a quiet day. Then chaos erupts.
No, I think there's nothing wrong with you saying things are stable. Like, if I say things are stable and things are gonna go bad, they will. They definitely will.
But don't you think things will go bad either way?
No, I mean, things go bad if they're supposed to go bad. But if you keep looking for the things to go bad, guess what?
Things will go bad.
Exactly.
I guess.
Ngicela ukuphawula uku-eda
As
kulokhu akushoyo.
funny. This is a girl's show for crying out loud. Get out of here.
My mama's a girl. How?
So
Kusalayo
My dad was
ngazi
a boy.
representative yakhe. Damn it. How? But yeah, it's definitely that thing in manifestation.
What if you say it, then it's gonna happen?
Yeah.
But if you don't say it, then it
No, the
won't
thing
happen.
is, it's all it revolves about where your mind is at
Okay.
that time. If uzoti, if sase nale doubt engqondweni yakhe, if you think things are gonna get bad,
yeah.
unfortunately, you know the thing about the mind, it's crazy. Izobonisa lento ofuna ukuyikholwa wena. So
That is
if wena
true.
uzitshela ukuthi ayisana, mangizothi ku-right kuzobheda, nangempela kuzobheda.
that's so true.
Okay, I get that concept, but also, what is the element of surprise? Why does that concept exist? Because you're shocked. It's not what you expected in anything, be it shock, be it horror, be it actual surprise.
I think
I think it goes against manifestation
Yes,
because
and-
you were not thinking it, you didn't manifest it, it didn't even cross your mind.
I
It
think,
occurred.
I think it has to do with
Is it environment
How-
and circumstance?
the natural flow of life.
Okay.
Yes, is as such. I mean, if you
Yes.
knew what was going to happen in your life, what makes it worth living? It's
Yeah.
just boring.
Loses
If I know what's
essence.
going to happen next, exactly,
Yeah.
loses its essence. But I think what we're going for in terms of, let me not put it in your manifestation. Manifestation works, but it's not in the way that we think it does. Because people think with manifestation, I say, oh, I'm gonna have a car next week, and then there's nothing.
That's
gonna
what I
happen.
think it
yeah.
is.
That's not gonna something. That's not okay. I'm
That's
gonna
what I
come back
think
and
it
explain
is.
this. But
yeah, and it's a more deeper than that.
Yeah.
yes, but
Ben.
what we are talking about is I think, therefore I am.
Okay.
I'm gonna make an example with a place I was in. I think a week ago. I was fine the whole time. Then like a week ago, something happened, and then I started seeing all of the bad things
Okay.
because I was in a bad space.
Yeah.
Then I started seeing, oh, actually, this is like that. Actually, I don't even like that.
Mm.
Oh, but I said something. Then I started getting cringe attacks. I said something like this 10 years ago. And I haven't had cringe attacks in like so long. Do you know what I'm saying? So I was in such a bad space because of that one thought that I had.
Yes,
And it
yes.
just spoiled
It ruins
everything.
everything.
The
Mm.
thing about the brain, it'll always find evidence. If you
Yes.
tell it that life is bad, it looks for evidence.
Yeah.
And you end up living like
That's
that.
kind of like placebo effect.
Yes,
Okay.
exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. It's exactly like that.
100%.
It is exactly like that. Now let's
If you
get,
tell your body it's sick, it gets sick.
it definitely does get sick.
Okay.
If I come and give you a bottle that just has water and like let's
And you
say
tell
I
me it's
made
liquor.
and I tell you it's liquor.
I'm gonna start exhibiting or feeling
Exactly.
Fair.
That is the placebo effect.
drunk. Placebo effect.
The
Sure.
way that manifestation works, in the way that I have experienced it. Uswahili. Uswahili. Oh, aski.
Sorry,
Sorry.
Baba.
Yo, cishe sawelwa umphathi. Angiyasithuka ike nawe.
Asigwena.
Stop it.
Asigwena.
Stop it. Oh yes. So the way that I have experienced it, in the beginning of every year, I sit down and have a conversation with myself. And this year, I just decided to go to have a couple of things that I want.
Yeah.
I wrote them down.
Mm-hmm.
I fixated on them for a while, and I realized that I'm not going to fixate on these things.
Yes.
Then I let it go.
And then you got them.
No, wait.
Ah.
Wait. In the journey to acquiring those things. No, I got some of them. I
Okay.
mean, the year's not over yet.
Yes.
I got some of them,
Yes.
and I'm very happy. And I just saw that list like 2 weeks ago, and
Kanti
Yini
kwenzakalani?
kanti?
Kanti kwenzakalani?
Let's disturb, man.
Kanti why vele?
That's why abafana ngabafuni kani ngiphumeni. Phuma la kithi wena siyani.
Abafana bayamosha ya.
Yes, ngike abafana. Ay.
Abafana bayamosha.
Sure.
Ay.
Yes, I realized that I had some of these things I didn't even notice that I actually got them already.
Yeah.
But in the journey to getting those things, you can't get those things if you need to be sure that you're ready for those things. Because it's ofika
Yeah.
leyo nto leyo and you're not ready for it, and it just seems like a curse at that point.
Yeah.
Or you can't receive things kusasenezinto in your life that need to be gone. Like, let's say, for
Yes.
instance, some people that need to be out of your life.
Yeah.
And the way that they...
I realized that lately. I
do
realized that
share.
lately. The whole you were not going to get certain things without releasing certain people. Like certain people had to go. Not even Gucci, they were obstacles or whatever, physical obstacles or even spiritual obstacles or whatever. They just needed to go for that thing to happen. And for it to sit in and happen, gosh.
With no distraction.
Crazy.
It is crazy.
Crazy.
Yeah, because...
I realized it yesterday. I was like, I don't think I would have gotten ABC if ABC
so and so.
wa-
Yeah.
It was not gonna work out.
Sometimes people are not bad people. Oh, we don't know.
We don't know.
We really don't know. Because you know uzomazi umuntu ukuthi ucabangani. But
Mhm.
awukwazi ukuthenga ifurniture uzobeka ifurniture entsha endlini kunefurniture endala.
Kunendala,
You
no.
need to let those things go.
Yes.
And that's what people don't get. Some
Yeah.
things work for some people for in different ways, and I know for how things work for me. It's
Yeah.
like it has its own order. What's it? Mina kusuke lezi zinto lezi kuqala.
Yeah.
Who I shame? Life mntanami.
Shout out to Buntle.
Oh, so late episode. Oh my god.
Bonga.
So manje lama ayisaphuma ngeyibongo.
Ngithe on the rocks mina. Wena abantu bawuthini? Ukuhleka lama bathi hey.
Awungivuzanga. And azange ngisho ukuthi ngifuna amanzi. Wena sowalethile nami ngifuna afana lawo.
Waze wadelela. Sekawile ngale emafrijini. Thank you. How? Ne man Thando, ne man. Asibonge inqola nempahla neimoto.
Yeah, no. Big shout out to CEO Fashions as well as Vibe something.
Hayi bonga kahle.
I don't
Bonga
know.
kahle.
Ngizomthengela imoto. How?
Sula lezo lawo mehlo. Bekele leso sandla phansi.
Angisho manje, wow, siphi isibuko
Bonge
sami?
kahle.
Ngongiphi isibuko sami? Ama eyesight
Sikuwe.
kuphela.
Hayi angeke Thando, never. Take it or leave it. Never.
Oh, nasi. Oh, it fell. Thank you. Oh. Okay. Now that I have gathered myself. Thank you.
Wena kanti yini ngawe? Yeah. Hey. Cela nisibongeleni ku stylist. Bongani stylist.
Okay. Big shout out to CEO.
Uyabonga uku-on nje la.
Ku-oni. Hawu mara ngabe sikhuluma nobani?
Akazi phela hambile umphathi.
Big shout out to CEO Fashions and Vibe Clothing for sponsoring this episode of The Girls Show. If you'd like, you see the items here. If you like these items, there are many more items. Go on to Facebook, Instagram, CEO Fashions, Tandani. Give them a DM. Usho ukuthi wena uthandani or bakubonise i-catalog. Angisho manje nezinye impahla zintsha. She's got a lot of designs, very very nice designs, some nice lounge wear. Mawufuna ukugroova, mawufuna ukuba i-CEO girl boss. We got you, okay? We got you.
And we're dressed by
CEO Mabuntle Mputi.
She's an award-winning
Award-winning
extraordinaire.
designer. She's
We
award-winning.
want sound effects.
Yes. Ufake mphathi, akekho mphathi estudio khona manje mara ayifake.
Yep, she's amazing.
She's very amazing, very nice lady. Yeah, so you guys do so. Otherwise, make
Or
example
else.
with your last born.
Or else.
Or else. Okay, let's go back to the conversation. Sure. What brought us to this faking perfection
yes.
and what it leads to. I hate what social media has done. Uguti, people can't live according to how they want to live.
Yeah.
It's always, I need to look Instagrammable, I need to look perfect because of this and that. Things and a lot of those cuts asnandaba, like people don't get it, people don't care.
No.
We might say something secure, but like 5 minutes later we've
We're-
forgotten about
we're
it. Just
gone.
like
There's other things happening.
exactly.
There's so much happening.
Exactly. We don't give a fuck.
There's so much happening.
And like it's led to people doing izinto that they're better off not doing.
Yeah.
Like Sentata Maloney. So Lalana Baba Bemkaba, and you don't have to do that. Nje philimpilo yakho ube right, this is yazi like ukhohle into zomhlaba.
Yeah.
Yo, cause yo guys kube emhlabeni. Gumbi lalelani mina engize nginilahlekise. Kubi mara kumnandi mara kubi.
Mara ngizonilahlekisa. Mara yenilahleke kakhulu.
Mara yenilahleke kakhulu. Ngizothi base nilahlekile nginikezeni i-navigation what Tom nibe ni right. Yo mbemi shem.
What's happening?
Yena. Hayi. Ukuthi like ngiyamangala daily.
Okay.
On a day-to-day basis.
Umangele.
Ngimangele ngishocked every day.
Umangele sayini?
Izokuthi scabs bemi yeah. Kamangaza la emhlabeni shem.
No, every day is something.
There's something new every day.
Every day is something.
Every day there's something new. You know, I remember praying, Uguti, I want to be busy. Yo.
Now you are extremely overly
Every day of the
consumed.
Sunday to Sunday, busy. But that's okay. I'm not complaining.
But
I'm
we
happy.
prayed for purpose.
We did. We
Purpose
did.
is very important.
It is very important.
We prayed for purpose. I was like, there was a time I was like, God, I'm praying for like kill my ego.
Ego death.
I was like, kill my ego.
Yeah.
When you're ready to give me the blessings that I deserve, align me and give me humility so I can carry that success correctly and it be godly, because it's a blessing from you. So prepare me and kill my ego. Let it not be of me, Girl,
You said that.
Woo!
You said that.
And
You
it's
said
still a
that.
prayer for me because I think it's an everyday thing. And also, I just remembered when it was about Pinky Kelwam, I'm like, God, kill it fast.
quickly.
Yeah.
Quickly.
Yo,
Quickly.
No,
Quickly.
it worked then because I was a kid. Now you're an adult. Now you
need to think like an
kill it,
adult. You need to
kill it,
think.
kill it,
Ooh, I've been having Yazi. I think Izol saying when I was taking a bath. No, Izol ebusuku mangibuya.
Yeah.
Bengifake enye nje ibruku ele track suit, ngifake i-bralette. Ha.
You thought you were bigger than the program, yeah?
Excuse me.
You were the program.
I am the program. I was having like what we won and you're like
Yes, you know
like,
what? Hell
I'm
yeah.
like on this thing. Go hi, Lorna in it. Yeah, I'm rich, so I can do it. I'm rich. So what? So now I'm thinking, good girl, you cannot be like that. You can, push it to a point here,
Yeah.
but I cannot be like that. I cannot. Ngizibeke ku level yabo kanjalo. Hey, Mara.
Being bigger than the program,
Uzowa,
the
boo,
consequences.
pants. Boo, pants.
The consequences of thinking you're bigger than the
Ah,
program.
you know what I was praying for when it comes to like success, what I view as my success. Ukuthi, I should have the wisdom and the discernment to be able
Yeah.
to handle yonke leyo nto.
Yes.
Because imagine having a million rand is not a lot of money. But my figure ungayijwayelanga.
Strategy side.
Yeah,
it can
ibona.
triple.
It can even
quadruple. Yes.
So I'm praying for the wisdom.
Yeah.
Ukuthi ngikwazi ukuyisebenzisa leyo mali lengiyifuna kangaka ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyifunelani, but I want the wisdom to do that. Also, I think now I'm going to pray for that ego death.
Yes.
But ayikho into ebuhlungu njenge ego death, yes.
Yes.
Ayikho into ebuhlungu njenge ego death
Because you're
ngoba
essentially praying to God to humble you, strip you of everything so that you have
Yes.
nothing. That is what
Yes.
ego death
yes,
is.
yes.
You have to be
Yeah.
stripped of everything you love.
Listen, I went through ego
Everything
death.
you worship, everything you desire must
Everything you hold close to your
go.
heart.
Must go.
I went through an ego death. It was not nice. I went through it for 3 whole years. Because kani phela manje into yakhona.
Yeah.
And I thought it would be into a month A1 saying right sharp gang.
Yeah.
Thanks and bye.
Nope.
No, it took a while. Very humbling. Very, very, very humbling,
Ego
I
death
have
is
to say.
crazy.
But it's nice to come out on the other side.
Of course.
Yeah, it's very lovely to come out. Skepsi penny legele. I sentid mean. Beg.
Iti pelile.
Iphelile.
Ushilo
Iphelile scam. Hayi. And yakho wena ikhona way. Iphume ngeyibongo. Ngoba wena sakhe sibosala ngoji.
Yes. Uji uzaqala before M. Yo, hayi ke.
Vela abanye abantwana ngaphandle.
Thando lwethu.
Asiphume ngamagama.
Mayiphume ngokuplanwa kwabantwana.
We are only 7 days apart. Ungasho ngathi manje bakuplanele
Ngishongo
kude.
You were planned, girl.
I definitely was not planned.
Not planned.
I was
That's
not.
why I'm saying.
Oh, but yeah, you are
Siyangaleyo.
not planned more.
Siyangaleyo. You were supposed to get ice on ice on
Oh
ice.
yes, I did though. Look at this abundance.
Oh,
Always.
look at
Thank
that.
you, Scam.
Yabona
You're so
ukuthi
sweet.
waiting.
Waiting, ne? Patience.
Patience.
Oh, do you know what's another thing I've learned in the past couple of months? Patience. And I mean, patience.
Nanginayo yami West guys say ayikho.
Hayi sekune patience shamiyazi. Sengine patience enye nje.
What?
Yo, mpemi.
Why?
Hayi.
This is not your brand.
I know. No, man. It's this journey that I'm on. It'll teach you
Yeah.
patience. Hey? It'll teach you. You
will wait until
you will wait. You will uzoncenga ulinde and yazi ngendaba yokuncenga ukuthi ngiyangala fast. Remember that phone call we had a couple of weeks ago and so ungalile. Ngalile vele. Bengalile vele.
Sangalile namanje.
Ngumuntu vele leyo ngisayingalele namanje. But ayila ukwazi ukungala mfana.
No ngaling. Ungaluthembeni.
Ngaluthembeni. Ngoba uzothi uyabuya kungale bona then what? Oh. But you taught me so much patience.
Girl.
But I'm
What?
fine. I'm good.
Girl.
I'm good.
Bless your souls.
Bless your souls, guys.
Bless your souls, guys. Yes.
Bless your souls.
Na umunye naye. Yazi.
Ay, yazini. Ay.
Nizeni ngizonihaka guys.
Ngalusihake.
Nizeni ngizonihaka.
Siyagoa sometimes.
Nizeni ngizonihaka yazi.
Siyagoa. Manje le nari liphuma ngeyibonga.
Hayi bandla. Oh.
Ngiyabuza.
No mina ngiyabonga ba.
Azange ngithi ngiyayifuna hlala phansi sokungcintshile vele. Sokungcintshile. Ngicela ukulidla after.
Kubuye wakhipha leli lisemlomeni wamnika.
Sis, that's so disgusting.
Kuba umnike lona ngoba kusukele. Ufaka la Crocs wakho. Kokhoka la Crocs. Manje ufuna ushutha nawo ngawo. Yo man ngabona.
Mana
Sonke sinawo vele.
ama
Crocs.
awa. Ngani ngikhiphe kule conversation mina. Ngikhiphe mina yazi ngine trauma ama Crocs. I had Crocs when I was 7 and then my dog ate them or VTs and I loved them so they were pink.
You had
and
the
I
real
loved
deal.
pink. Yes,
The
the
real
real
deal.
deal. Yo, uRexy wawadla wawa obliterate. Ake
Yeah.
ngiphinde ngiwathenga ama Crocs. Like I'm still very traumatized.
Oh, ubuhimshi.
Oh God, yes. She's so fat.
Miss him. It's
Them.
they.
Fat.
Fat.
She's so fat. She is so fat, Chloe. Yes. She is so fat. Oh my God. Who they? Because basingekho sure ukuthi uyini. The way bakabehave ngakhona bekungathi umfana, but then we realized that female dogs are very effervescent.
Well, you could have checked the organ.
Yeah, like I can't do that without consent. It can't consent to me checking and looking at its organs
You need to carry
and
it.
its genitals.
Mawugeza kanti kumele
I guess what even ew. I'm not gonna touch a dog like that.
awugezi thando.
Angimthinti nokumthinti. No,
Solange, I
I'm
guess.
not the one that parts uKlo. Ugezwa ubabakhe.
Babakhe bani?
Usiyamthanda.
Muphi?
Usiya.
Siya muphi?
Umntana kalokhuzane,
Oh,
yes.
oh.
Mina ngugogo kule nje ngamthenga nje ngamletha ngathi hayi nayo ke inja. I don't even touch her with my own hands.
Thando.
Ena. I'm going to touch Noob Noob. I'm going to have a small little dog called Noob Noob.
When you do get me a dog, I want a puppy that doesn't grow.
Yes, Coco Chanel.
Yeah, I want a puppy.
Remember when we were planning we're gonna have dogs and call them Coco Chanel? I still want to name one of my. I want to have 3.
I'm not disclosing the name of my puppy ngoba nje bazontshontsha and no.
Ayiwadas. Udonje.
Dagiwe go.
Udonje no kabala.
No. That futhi. Hi. Yeah, no, you're right. I've lived many lives.
No, you definitely have. Yazi, it is so it's so pleasing to see. Pleasing is not the word I was looking for. To see how much you've grown.
Really?
You guys don't know. Nentombazana beyihlupha. Yo, Nomfundo was a problem, bro. I kid you not. Nomfundo was a problem.
No problem.
Nomfundo ayangangixoxela le.
Which one? The Pinky Girl?
Yeah.
You said that.
Ngawacocela. Ukuthi wathi ngizoba upinky girl wakhe, wathi ngizoba handbag yakhe. Angazi ukuthi bheka ngizwani. Angimazi ukuthi bheka
Her
ngizwani.
job in life will be
My goodness. Hey uke wahlupha emhlabeni. Esibo uhlupha like bowuhlupha. Wonganikeza abantu peace.
Give them an idea. They don't get it.
I'm trying to think of the things Bo says at transporting. No,
the fact that I had a seat and nobody could sit there.
Oh no, we all had that. But oh. Once upon a time, a transport driver, yes, a girlfriend yayo. So bekahlala as a ntombazana, I think I'm afraid is. Masimbulisa asishaye ngebomb. Laba yi-1 ilanga. Unomfundo wamfasela ama-braids. Yabona isiyaya mosina lezi zinto lezi zama-handles naye wafasa ama-braids wakhe and wawafasela ukuthi uyawafasa like uyawafasa. Did she not put gum in her hair? Nomfundo's problematic. She was really problematic.
I was a demon
She
child.
gave everybody a name. Khona bo Mankomo, khona bo Kopkopi, khona bo Gogo, khona ubani ba hey, ha. Ubani lona munye kanje ngilikhohliwe legama. But the people had names
And it became brands.
It definitely did. Those names stuck for life.
Yes, those
For
names
life.
stuck.
Till today.
Yes. And everyone assumed that name.
You're so problematic.
Everyone. Oh, I mean, everyone accepted the names because they used the names.
No, they didn't accept the names. I think it's that thing of laughing at yourself before other people laugh at you.
Oh, so you're trying to say I was a bully?
Girl, you were so mean.
No.
I've
I was
noticed,
not a
Footiers.
bully.
I've also noticed most of the time those nicknames Valerie we don't like. They're the ones that stick out. And like throughout
I
our
wish
years.
I had
yo,
a nickname. With Batty, everywhere you go, but fish. And the fish.
Why
Everywhere
fish?
you go,
No,
I don't
no,
know.
no.
It's so common. There's so many.
Fish.
Fish baning.
Fish.
I'm a fish.
I know usually I'm a fish.
Oh, no,
like,
fish
in
ukhona
Kawaza
la
with the
iTsakane
weird
vele.
shit.
Really?
Yeah, I remember there was a transport driver behamba back in primary. His son. Hey, umfana ke shem nkosi yami yo ikhandela.
Bekhona no shark.
Special.
Wait.
That is why.
Scams. Bekhona no shark.
What?
Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi
Ubuza ke ikhanda lakhe linjani.
angifuni ukushigama lakhe
Ushaka nkosi yami.
bazothi mina wadwa phela eduduza ngimubi kanti mina mina nje enwe ngimbonile ku Facebook kungasikudala.
Ngiyamazi mina.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure ukuthi awusamkhumbuli because yazazi nawe ne memory goldfish
Fish memory.
Makes sense.
Fish
Makes
memory.
sense. Yeah.
ngizokutshengisa yena but yazi ngisengisa ngasakhulumi Nkosi yami. Hey.
Hayi ngiyakuthola. But yeah, it's lento bengisho because even nami ngiyakhumbula igama laka Joma. I hated that mangisa.
Enebheka uJomo.
Ngilihleli.
You look like a Jomo.
Why is he a Jomo? Why are you a Jomo?
So I got it mangisadlala ibhola primary but bathi bona bengidlala njengoJomo but
Jomo movie.
I mean
Jomo Cosmos.
Jomo Sono. I don't know if you know super.
Dabuza.
Yes, the owner of Ujomo Cosmos.
Okay.
His name is Ujomo Sono.
Manje Cosmos yini ke?
That's the name
The
of the
club.
club.
That's Cosmos is small, man.
Nah,
It's Cosmos.
Yes,
Okay.
Cosmos.
Oh,
Angishweni
okay.
discuss in a Cosmos.
Njomo Cosmos.
Cosmos.
We learn something.
Yeah.
Every
yeah,
day.
Yeah.
So when
So
we
we're about to cozy polar, but I mean, come on now. But you see obvious reasons, most. You know, it's. I mean, come on now.
Why?
The head is out there, like.
Oh,
that's why.
Headmaster.
I don't know. Was it,
Was
no, mina ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi was it how he looks or is it how he or were you playing like
Does
him?
he have a big head?
What was it?
I'm
Was it a
guessing
physical
'cause I
thing?
played like him.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
So
it was a
imagine talking in
technique.
that.
And nangapha phela
So it was
ngicabanga
technique
ngapha, yeah.
and
But
physique.
yes.
Okay.
But obvious no kamba kweminyaka.
Yeah.
Ngiyabona bojoma abaningi.
Ukuthi kahle hle bawutheleleka wena.
Medically speaking, these
Baphethwe
are
yinhloko.
exactly-
Yes.
Yes.
Badala basingaka. You can see.
Manje nami ngiyabona ukuthi hayi kusho ukuthi
Bekudeleleka mina.
Yeah. kahle ngithi yazi lapha mara. Kanti when I realize ukuthi no man ilento ukuthi yabona namakhanda amabili.
So
Uzuma, umsholozi.
Yes.
Enye yabona ubhekana nesimo sezwe.
oyokubhekana naso ne.
Yes.
Head first.
Yes, go at it head first. Yeah. So yeah, that was my
Manje
2 cents.
wahlala wena wayi-one vele waba ne-epiphany ukuthi no.
Oh, hayi man.
No,
Kwenziwa
man.
mina imomishi la.
Yeah,
Ngathi
kahle
kwenziwa mina
isipuphu
imomishi.
yimi,
Pretty much.
inunu
pretty
yini.
much, yeah. But I meant to make peace with it, Shem. I
Yeah.
had no other choice. Ngithi, hayi.
Guys, shuthi nina manje njengoba sihlelelana nithi I was a bully. Essentially, I was a bully.
Okay, before we wrap up the episode, man.
Hmm?
Tell me.
What?
No, I ngisho ukuthi or bully or
Okay.
ini. Umuntu nje sakaye self introspecta yena ngokwakho ukuthi
What is what?
I don't think you want to bully. You were just mean.
Okay, fair,
And a teenager,
fair.
as teenagers
Okay.
do. Yeah.
Sure.
I mean, there are people who are worse than you. It's just that they didn't under carpet.
Oh, it didn't
myself.
carpet.
Yeah, lo bekasile.
Yeah.
Mara bezofanela mina ngoba mina ngikhuluma straight.
Yes.
Yes.
Yena
When
ukhuluma
you
uthi
must
khushu
say
khushu
stand,
khushu. So
No,
bangathi
do you know how
Yeah.
I did it? As a joke. I'd say a joke, and people, because I knew people didn't understand my humor. We're not in the same realm.
Yeah.
So, because I knew that people didn't, and only a few people would understand the jokes. It would be you, maybe Ucelo, Abos Babato.
Yeah.
They would understand the joke.
But the jokes they need you to be well read, babe.
That's
You
that's
need
why
to
I'm
have
saying we're not on the same
substance.
realm. That's what I'm saying we're not on the same realm.
Otherwise,
So that's why they never understood. So being abonakala ukuthi okahle naye lo usile. Because
Yeah.
I just make that joke and nobody got it. Not laugh by myself. Bese bathi lo uyahlanya or kanjani, and it's not even like that. I'd even make it see too, and then nobody they don't get it, and
Yes.
it's satisfying for me. Yes,
So
I've always been a
kusalokho.
horrible person.
ukusa lokho.
Vele ngisile. Hawu. Angikaze ngathi ngumuntu oright.
Yeah. Fair, I guess.
Okay.
Damn it, that's a valid point. Let's assume that awuthando yazulungile man.
Mara yena ulungile man.
Ngilungile vele.
Ulungile man.
Umuntu nomuntu uyini yang guys, like
Oh.
good within the
There's
bad,
the-
the bad
yes.
within the good.
Yes.
Uyayibona? Nami
Okay.
ngine bad within the good. Balance.
Udlala ngobhozo. I'm so distracted.
Ubalala kophoso.
Udlala ngobhozo.
Oh, and he loves to do that. Oh my god.
Is that what
He
between
loves
the
to do
toes?
that. Yes. He loves to, like, that's his favorite thing to do.
It is roughly satisfying.
What the
It
hell?
does feel good. I'm doing it too now. I do this before I sleep.
What?
Yeah. So nice. So nice. Yeah, Nige, before we wrap up the episode, because we've got 2 more to shoot and we've got places to be. Feels so good saying that. Scabs, the question includes you as well.
I'm full.
You got to put me like, guy.
Ngaling ngalong.
Ngaling along. What would you describe the phase you're in right now in your life?
I'm in the I don't give a fuck era, man. I'm noticing as
And you are.
the
And
more
you are. I love that
yeah,
for you.
the more isikhathi sesihamba angisenandaba manje umuntu yazishe ucabangani manje angisafuni nokumphikisa
Yeah.
umuntu. I'm just like, hey man,
Injalo.
Do your
you
thing.
you. You do you.
Yeah.
Mina futhi niyazi shem kule giga besibuya kubhekana nazo shem. Uvela ubona ukuthi yazi mara kuyafana noma ukhuluma.
Yo
People
wena
just gonna interpret it the
bowuyivumela
wrong way.
ipi bekayivumela hayi bekayivumela
And then Inashem need to no strike. I got a bone to pick with you.
Why?
hectic
Because in my dream, we had another scandal and you guys didn't tell me because I'm gonna phone. So I ngiboni the scandal. No, there's also a time when they were bashing me on TikTok and they didn't tell me.
okay
So I had a dream and it happened again. Ngitsho iphindekile lento abangitshelayo.
laba bangitsheli mina izinto and yazi
Angibazi ukuthi bafuna ukuthini.
bathembene bathembene vele njengoba bangangitsheli
Sizozwa ngapho. Should bazokubiza indlu seyisha njani
No,
angazi.
bane?
yini. Yeah.
I know, Bashem.
Angazi. But anyway, please continue Scabs. Yeah. Nje masiphuma la ngifuna nje ukunibamba ngenqindi.
yeah
Ngitshela ukuthi why beningangitsheli lapha ephupheni lami.
when are you walking around going about your life not knowing ukuthi uyatrenda
Next
wena?
week sengiyashaywa.
Ufana ukuthi uthando uzoshayela ngoba uphuphe usuphuphe simchithela lapha
Yeah.
but isephupheni.
Oh, no.
We all
Uphuphe
know
umchithela,
that.
shuthi
Leyo nto le
uyamchithela.
iyenzeka. Like ngaphuma bangichithi. I was so mad. I was so
You got, like,
It's
really
usually
mad.
a sign. It's usually a sign if you are John.
I was so mad.
So would it happen ukuthi just by ukuyiphupha? Would that prompt you ukuthi umlahle?
Investigate.
Oh,
Investigation.
Here's the thing.
Yes.
Oh.
Ngisengilaunch
Okay.
investigation
And then
ke
what does that
manje.
investigation entail?
Everything.
Everything. I want to find
Fuck.
evidence.
Ow.
But here's the thing about dreams now. Meh. They don't always mean what you think.
True.
Like
True.
there are little nuances that could change the entire meaning of the dream.
Yeah.
Ukuthi bekachitha mara bekagcokeni. You know, then
Yeah.
it means something completely different. Or bekakuphi, or bekadla ini, or bekaphethe insani. But
Well,
anyway,
it's not about the actual action, it's the principle behind
the
it.
principle
Yes.
behind it, yes. But
yes,
ke,
so it could mean a lot of
Yeah.
things.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. But ke asikho lapho namhlanje. We'll do that next year.
Damn.
Yeah, Scabs, please continue. So
Yeah,
ungene
man.
emlomeni. Unini
Hey, solo
Uyamphanga.
imistake engiyenzile ukubuya lana nje angazi bengifunani nje like bengiright le ngaphandle ngibhizi namafeti wami le.
Yo!
Ulayekile nje. Ulayekile.
Yeah, man, I'm at that stage manje ukuthi it is what it is, man.
Yeah.
It is what it is. I just don't nangapha ukuthi I don't care what people think. It sounds some type of way, but
It doesn't.
I've gotten at peace, or I'm being at peace, manje, with the idea of ukuthi umuntu wenza into ayithanda.
Yeah.
So with that said, whatever
Do your
someone
thing.
does, just water under a duck's back.
Yeah.
Simple as that.
Under
So,
a duck's back.
Angazi, listen, under, over. And uyavuma nami nomfundo yazende wena Scabs wena ubonisa
Mina ngizwa no
wena-
correcta umuntu
You're the
esidlangalaleni.
enemy
Mina
of
ngeke
process.
ngeke ngicorrecte phakathi kwabantu
Oh,
esidlangalaleni.
nemasithu,
Uphethe
ne?
mic Wes.
Yazini.
Angeke shem. Mina ngiyahlonipha phela mina.
Yini? Damn it.
Ngiyahlonipha
Awuqoqela
phela.
bangakwazi. Please.
Akusimini ngeke, akusimini ngeke.
Please.
Umntana right
Mina
unomfundo
ngiyahlonipha
of
mina.
which
Of which
akahluphi
akahluphi.
bantu, akaphazamisi bantu, yamsukela.
Ngikade ubuza
Hey.
bakubo. Mina ningakamconfirmeli. Buzani nje bakubo. Ngithole nje uyedwa.
I-testimony yodwa nje.
I-testimony nje ibe yodwa. Ibe yodwa vo. Ibe yodwa vo. Noma mhlawumbe
Ngisho-
amabili noma amathathu.
Noma uya understand ukuthi noma ngaya man yazi man
Oh, yazini, qhubeka nendaba.
Yebo ngoba wena
Yazi khona
uyangazi
le-
wena. Yebo wena uyangazi,
Yes, ikhona into ekuthiwa
uyangazi.
misrepresentation.
Yes, yes.
Yabo bathi no lona
Nabantu
man
baphusha ama-agenda wabo.
yeah yabo ilama agenda under carpet esingawa understand
Yes,
kwenzakalani.
yes,
yes
Mina
yilabo
Scabs
thanda
vela
way,
ngithandisisa.
Where is that coming from?
I'm
Hayi
sorry,
bo.
catching strays yo
Hawu.
yo
Wathi abakuthandisisi.
on and off camera ngibengithola nje
It's
ama-stray.
oh.
Ayi,
Wathi abakuthandisisi.
yeah ayivalwe shem ayivalwe
Yeah, ne?
ayivalwe.
What stage are you in, Thando? Bhekani ntombazane njani? Injani manje?
Akastart serious lo. Akastart serious Makams. Wena Makams akusitshele ke wena which stage are you at manje in your life? Ayi yazi yoba nzima impela lena kuphuzwa namanzi kuthiwa ake ngithi nje ngithola lapha.
Not even.
Oh.
Not even. Not even. I am in a, like I said, stable.
Cruising nice.
Calm. Not neither here nor there. I'm letting things unfold naturally as they should. Because I feel like my whole life has been written to like the book is done.
Funny, you've said
Me
this, you've said
stressing
this
out.
your whole life.
Yes,
yeah.
like me stressing out does not change it. It's
Yes.
done.
True.
It's done. Crying about it, like it's done.
True.
And also, I think there's progress. I'm moving from being an atheist to reestablishing my relationship with God. That's another change, you know?
And then how?
Like we are, you know, we're on a first date, we're getting to know each other, talking stage.
Okay.
You know,
Yeah,
we're
okay.
making movie dates, we're
No.
planning,
Yeah,
you know, we
yeah.
want to go out.
That's
we want
such a
to go
nice way to put
bowling.
it.
We want to, you know, we're sussing each other out. What do we like? What do we dislike? How do we talk to each other better? What is your way of going about things? I can never figure him out, but
He
he figured me out, and I want him to know that. No, I want him to tell me that he understands that he's figured me out. Like I need him to tell me that he knows that I know that I know that I know.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So yeah, it's just that, man, and it's nice.
So I had a question.
nice.
Njengokuthi you were once an atheist.
Yes.
How was that? Like Pelanyas in an African household, that must be something else. You
Ooh,
don't like
Gogo
God.
Osontewe, please.
Yo.
Please.
Watumpete shower ubani.
Ngikutshelile ukuthi hamba buza
Amakinda
kubo
bobani.
ukuthi
Yo.
kanti i-Roman Catholic asiwe seni?
No.
Yini? Oh, Wesley. Oh, yes.
Wesley.
Oh, yes.
Oh no, it was that drama, but it's my beliefs.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's like my whole concept. That's why my approach to God is also different. I don't like the religious side of it. I just wanted to. I don't pray like how people pray. Like I just have conversations with myself. I'm like, okay, I don't like what this is happening. How do we fix this? I'm feeling like this and this and this. Angifuni lento ukuthi wena wakuphi sesivula amazulu manje. No. I don't like that approach. It's not my vibe. And also, like I think I used a lot of logic to spiritual concepts, which was a big mistake because sometimes things are just don't make sense. Some things don't have to
But
make sense.
Is that not the logic, Kuyoge? The logic is there.
Why?
Steps.
Yes, that's the logic. It
Yeah.
doesn't have to make sense. It's the art of letting go, which was my problem. I wanted control, so I wanted to make sense of everything. And some things don't have to make sense.
So long as it feels
So,
good now,
yeah, I was like, I think my ministry is just being a good person and doing good and doing the best that I can and living out my purpose. That's it. Everything else I can't and I won't. Didn't promise everyone that I'm a saint. I'm not a saint.
Yeah.
So if you see me in church on Sunday and at a club on Monday, that's me.
Yeah.
That's me. But you're not going to find me in church, get you know. But yeah.
Oh my God, I can't wait for you to find your purpose. It's going to
Right?
be so exciting. No, like I can't wait to see how you handle all of that.
That's we're preparing for that.
Oh, you think you are?
I hope I am.
You think you
oh
are?
my God, I hope I am. Oh, I hope I am.
Yeah. I hope.
What's
so too.
yours?
Oh, the phase I'm in my life right now.
Yes.
I've learned the art of letting go. I'm at
Yeah.
letting go. Like literally, I'm letting go, letting God, trusting in my guides.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't have a choice. I kind of don't have a choice. Like, I'm there. But like, I'm at a point where I realize that I guess. Like, I like. Y'all don't understand. And I'm not barely ngiyahlola.
Yeah.
And at
Yes.
that point, I'm just like, you know what? Yonke lento engiyifunayo izoyenzeka because it's happening.
Yeah.
I'm at a point where prayers are being answered.
Yeah.
Even the ones that I forgot I had prayed about are happening. Nje yazini at a point where nje I'm just receiving. I'm
Wow.
giving and receiving. Give,
Yes.
receive. Tit for tat. Yeah. That's where I am.
Guys,
Yeah,
we're
we
in a
love
good
them too.
place.
We really are
We're
in a good
getting there.
place.
We're getting
We
there.
Yes.
are.
I love it
Ooh,
for us.
I don't know what was
building.
happening
Yeah.
between
I love it
between
for us.
between now and 2018.
It's a yeah.
But we finally got to a good place, and
Yeah.
I'm happy with that. Yeah, I'm
Wow,
surprised
guys.
na next year.
Ngani?
Ngizobona.
Hayi ngasilethela umntwana.
Hayi
Squeeze
angilethela
Squeeze
umntwana.
kabi.
Athi seyasilethela ama-husband
Ngizothatha
kusesemanje.
isikhathi somntwana.
Ungalethi indoda ungalethi umntwana zama okunye futhi zama imali. Awuzama imali. Yes. Imoto yes.
Ne-indlu.
Yes. Property, assets, money. Ungalethi indoda ungalethi umntwana please busy. Please.
Le propaganda lena yokuthi anifuni
Please.
madoda kanti nenza kanje la ku
Ay, mina ngibhiza ayi. Bona bangawafuna mana ngibavimba mina sharp.
I want a daughter.
Love it for guys. Tando Mesh wants a daughter. We're taking suitors.
No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. Ngifuna indoda uJesu Nkosi yami, indoda yaba uNkulunkulu, indoda yabafelokazi ubaba weyintandane. Ngiyoshada uNkulunkulu. I'm a nunnery.
Why?
Ngijiji.
Why?
Eh?
Why?
Why do I want to be a nun?
No, why don't you all you do want a daughter? But ideally what daughter would you want?
Uhlekani. I
What
want
daughter
one,
would you
you
want?
know, because you can never feel somebody else's love, and somebody else cannot feel my love.
Yeah.
The best way for me to be shown love and for me to show love is just to show that I'm understood.
Okay.
Angikho kuma physical attributes because lezi nje zinde is easy.
What the fuck?
Yazini labantu bengitshebe laba.
Mayenza. Mayenza.
Hasibathu lahlasi. No, but I just want to be understood.
Yeah.
And I want to understand. That's it.
That's nice.
Mara nawe kuyabukeka ungabi weapon against me.
Obvious, yeah.
Let's
Ubukeka,
think
I
of the
mean.
children.
Goes without saying. I
Mara
think.
abantu kuhle bendoda ngisho kuseyinkomo zakhe.
Nasi inkomo
Noma
nabuhle bakhe.
ayinkomo naye noma ayinkomo self. Mara inkomo mazikhona.
No. Akabe muhle neinkomo zibe khona kuhle. Oh, also. It only makes sense that they live the life that I live.
Okay.
Because angeke shem kubo a normal person from F. It really cannot be. It's not going to work.
That's gonna be tricky, don't you think?
No.
You think you guys will be in sync?
Yes.
You? Hayi bandla.
And then when Ama comes
Uthe akayifuni indoda.
sesasho phela one day phela it's not like manje
Sesathi.
kube ungunaphakade
Sesathi.
asithi one day alahla iside
Lahla iside.
ngikhalela intshebe man.
Okay.
What's your type of kind of tea or cup of tea? That's Striker saying rooibos.
He's not lying.
One of us try.
No. Well.
Has that ship sailed?
Not really, actually. It's still chai, but rooibos is also okay. But I want a leader, guys.
Obviously.
Imagine. I think I'm so strong-willed. Mina love a girl, man.
Yeah.
When I'm in a relationship, I want to be led, so that I can.
Be a girl's girl.
Yeah, man. I want to be a princess. I want to just let loose. I want peace of mind. And I also want to remain an individual within my relationship. My relationship should be a nice addition, should be a safe space. But you can also go with your guys and have your friends and have your and I can still be myself and have my friends and have my life and my hobbies and things like that.
We can have a life outside of each other.
Yes, but also still have a life with each other. Have a life together, right?
Because at the end of the day, it is a life together.
Yeah, I'm more big on life partnership than marriage. I think if you have a life partner, then you have a stronger chance of making it work as a marriage. Because marriage is a contract, it's an agreement, it's a lawful agreement. But essentially, marriage should be a life partnership. which is what I like. But I'm sharp guy vibe.
You know, when you speak about the leadership thing, I think that one goes without saying.
Yeah.
Guys,
Do you know how nice it is to submit to a leader?
yes, if
I'm
you
like,
want me to submit,
My man said that we're going home at
I ain't going.
I'm out of here.
I ain't going. My man outside. My man outside. And it's good to fix.
Say less, Sachi.
But I'm
Say
saying,
less.
I'm saying ukuthi ukuthi shem abafana banomthetho odakiwe kanjani bese umuntu wants you to submit to that. What do you want me to submit to?
No.
Nonsense.
What's the example of law mthetho odakiwe?
Umthetho odakiwe.
Yeah.
Okay, now I have to go make an example about
Yeah,
someone.
example. Ngifuna umzekelo.
Ngenza umzekelo.
Yenza umzekelo.
Ah, konje ngithe ubani igama lakhe?
Ucacisele.
Oh, usurface area.
Okay.
Surface area wanted me to submit to him, and ayikho into ebeyithi angisubmit nkosi yami. Ayikho and bengingakwenzi vele because
So,
like okay, he had no ambitions or bekanezinto angitshela zona ukuthi I want to do this, mara angiyiboni ukuthi uthi ufuna ukwenzani. Like yini lento ofuna okay sharp uthi okay let me make an example. Ufuna ukuba pilot. What are you doing to show that you want to be a pilot? What are you doing to align yourself with being a pilot? Also,
okay.
oh, this one time, we were both out. I was out with you guys. He was out with his friends.
Unati.
Yeah.
Tina?
No, you were sick. You got sick and left.
Oh!
Yeah. And then,
Ungagule khambeni kodwa nawe.
Eish,
Yazi wangihlaza yazi nawe.
Yazi wagule ekuhambeni
naye.
naye.
Inkosi impela ngangifa. La kuthiwa kuyahanjwa khona.
Waphatheka.
Yazi ukuthi mangizokukhumbuza ngelinye ilanga ukuthi bowuguliswa yini into yomangala yona.
Oh.
Yo. Anyway, so we were both out. He was out with his friends. I was out with mine. I had his phone and my phone, but I was calling his friend. Sloxia communicator.
Okay.
I got home first. Okay.
Yeah.
When he got home, yeah. Oh, we happy, Tanolete. Oh, we happy. And I was like, this guy's gonna beat me up.
Excuse me?
I was like, I'll take him manipulate.
Excuse me?
And I was like, I'm gonna manipulate the shit out of him.
Okay.
Because Gabi, what the hell do you who the hell do you
Do you
who do you
think
think
you
you're
are?
talking to?
Mm-hmm.
I know men don't like tears. Nah, you know me, I can act.
Wawavulela. Hey.
Ngawavulela.
Oh.
I sat on the bed like this. Ngazibamba kanje. Why too young mama?
Akuhaba.
Yes, I did. And I rolled myself on the floor and everything.
Oh my God. What?
And then bengingakhali bengisile.
Yo.
Hayi bo sinotshwala mara mama bebukhona ne.
You have like
Mm.
yeah, they'll call utshwala. But like, if there's nakanjalo, you can't expect something from me, yet you fail to do it yourself.
Yeah.
You can't say to me, don't be out. As Uguti, a sister of mine tells me Uguti, her husband has to be home by 11 p.m.
Okay.
Because among she endlin with the children,
Yeah.
Uti indli kadoban.
Okay.
You are out there doing izinto ungodly. What happens after 12? Ekruvini.
Nothing.
Exactly. And the kind
Nothing
of things that
godly.
happen there. But then now you expect me
Yeah.
to be somebody that comes and sits here and waits for you to come back ekruvini.
Yeah.
Mina ngilinde wena. I must act a certain way. But when iyakhula leyo nto leyo,
Oh no.
we understand.
You need to set the tone for our relationship.
That's my
We
chat.
set the standard together.
That is my chat.
It shouldn't be one-sided. We set the
Exactly.
standard. If City groove until 11 for both of us, standard.
Both
across
of
the
us.
board.
Across the board.
Across the board. It should be like that for everyone. I think it
So
should be
mine
like
is
that.
ufuna ukuthi
I get
ngithobele
you.
umthetho
I get
odakiwe.
you,
That's
yeah.
what I mean. Ukuthi
Yeah.
I must humble myself, but when I was and nalento ukuthi he was saying you can't raise your voice at me. But immediately makacala argue, he raises his voice. Ufuna ukuthi
Defeats
ngithule.
the-
Manje ngithini ngithi?
Aye, then yeah, how?
Hi, kulungile. Who the hell you think you're talking to?
Yo.
Yeah,
That's why
no,
ngithi
that's
hayi sharp ka vibe guys. All
Yeah,
the best neni
so-
na ngizoba impelesi yenu sobiza nobunhle yabona sigqokise sibe bahle. Otherwise no. Sharp ka vibe.
Yes. And so mangithi a leader, I
Yeah.
mean, who's in the leadership skills are serious.
100%.
It's like
100%.
you must exude even.
love a girl.
I remember, oh my god, you would fold. You would fold. How? Sahle 30 minutes. Hayi, usikaqaqaqwe uzongilanda. Hawu.
Yes!
Yes. Ushilo mara uyamuzi yasho manje. Make nje babazi uthi hayi babazi.
Ah, Baba is outside.
Yeah.
Tata. But I don't neglect my friends. I think
No, you don't.
That's another
You
thing.
don't. You really
When I'm with
don't.
my friends, I'm with my friends.
Because I was about to ask that, Beluguti, has it happened when you back in your day?
So yajola
Yeah,
wena manje you neglect your
in
friends.
Mzukwana.
It's happened to me before.
Like you
but
chilling with your
ngasheshe
friend.
ngayikhuza.
Okay.
It's
okay.
happened to me
It's
before.
only
ngisheshe
natural.
ngayikhuza.
It's only
That's why
natural.
I want to always emphasize the having your own life outside of a relationship. Once you center it,
It's a problem because mayiphela leyo nto leyo.
Abangani bo babhosha la. Uyobuyela kubo mele ukhalele kubo manje.
besides that, nje, I think friendship is a beautiful thing.
It's a
Yeah.
very beautiful thing.
Friendship is
Ah,
a
what
beautiful thing.
concept. What
Why
a
would
concept.
you want? Why melek pause a friendship yam ngoba ngiyajola? Why can't they coexist? Why can't they
Because of
happen
which they
concurrently?
should.
I can
Which
have
they should.
thriving friendships and still have a thriving relationship all at one go. My partner doesn't have to be friends with my friends. My friend doesn't have to be friends with my partner. But I can have a
actually prefer
thriving
it that
friendship
way.
and that I think it works just fine.
I actually prefer it that way.
What your partner be friends with your
I
friends
don't
and you
want
be
my
friends with them.
partner to be friends with my friends.
Okay.
However, I do want them to have a cordial relationship with each
Sure.
other. Ukuthi ba right, yabo.
Yeah.
But ayikho into
You want boundaries
Yeah,
still.
there are boundaries. Ayikho into ethi iba ichomi kamuntu wami.
Yeah.
Ayikho. And nami angithandi ukuba amachomi wabantu abangani bami.
Okay.
Unless I have like I have male friends,
Yeah.
right? I'm cool with Sianda's person.
Mm-hmm.
We don't have a friendship ukuthi friendship yam neyakho because I
Okay.
want to respect also because Sianda is my friend.
Yeah.
I want to respect that boundary.
Umngani
yeah,
wakho
you understand?
kuphela. Umngani wakho kuphela.
Okay, mntantse ekhaya ke excuse me.
Ngamampela.
He's so sad. He's so sad.
I get it, but I think I'm just different.
In what sense?
I don't know, man. Maybe I'm delusional. Ne? I don't mind. That's why I'm saying I want my relationship to be such a safe space where if Bona they click and they form a beautiful friendship, why would I want to be in the way of that? If they end up being friends, why not? But also if you're a snake, then you guys are gonna do snake shit, obviously.
That's true.
But in my thinking, in my honest thinking, I'm like, if you guys are going to be friends, let it be organic and beautiful and whatever. Have your friendship, it's fine. As long as it doesn't disrupt my relationship, I could care
It doesn't
less.
matter. Yeah.
I could care less whatever, you know? But also, if my male friends have partners, I understand from a girl's perspective. It's okay, there's that thing that you feel because you don't know the ins and outs
Yeah.
of your friendship and whatever. So even the comfortability and everything like that is also, a thing. But I don't know, man. I mean, I'm possessive with some of my friends. I'm like, but he's my friend before he's
my
your
friend.
boyfriend.
This is my friend.
I know him first.
Exactly. Oh, but
I decided that you get that seat. We can
Oh,
get rid of
shit.
you.
That is definitely you. I believe that.
No, but Ugusa also, it's wrong.
You see
To
how you
think like
feel
that. It's wrong
about
to think like that.
how you feel about your man being friends with your friends. It's how I feel about my man having female friends.
Okay.
Guys, if they
Yeah.
have a friendship that's good, I shouldn't be in a position to say you can't have female friends.
Imagine
nah.
they've been friends for 20 years.
Bese ngithi,
Now, when you
keep
have-
it.
yeah.
Keep it. No, I
But
can't.
also, I
Fresh.
think the only way that could survive is if there's respect.
Yes.
That's the only way
Yes.
that this whole setup could work. It's a respect element.
It definitely is.
That's it.
I mean, I wonder.
That's it.
That's something I'm actually learning, much.
Yeah.
Or, trying to get into terms with it.
Mm.
So, nomuntu wamamanje naye,
Mhm.
he also has guy friends.
Okay.
Ngiyakhumbula masicala. Back then, I always had the thing with hi. Why
wena?
And we've had this conversation before, and you
We
were like,
did.
no.
What did
Yes.
I say?
Then I asked you, Skebs Guti, you have me as a friend, so doesn't that kind of contradict what you're saying, and then
Yeah.
you're like,
So the thing
and then
is,
you
in
said,
my mind,
"No, Skibbs, you're family now."
yes,
Okay,
yes.
so-
in my mind, Ibanja, like in my mind, I've never seen myself as someone that has abangani bamantombazana.
Okay.
It's abanting sebenzana or it's family.
Okay.
Like a relationship yummy with you guys. That's how it's been.
Yeah.
So I think at that time, my language was I needed to understand how their relationship is like.
Okay.
So I would say Agimtembi or I don't trust the guy per se, but I think I just want to get an idea of how the relationship comes about. I think that's what puts me at ease. So
Yeah.
when I to Kabanisanyana, but slowly but surely.
Understand.
Yeah,
We
understand.
understand.
Yes, yeah, understand.
I mean, this has always been a problem with my relationships.
The
The thing of having male friends.
Yeah,
I
you're
have
not-
always had friends that are male.
I mean, Aputi, you
And
can go. Why?
And
Bangani
it was
bayindawo,
always the
he
thing.
can go.
Yeah.
My friends are not
Hamba.
going anywhere. He can go.
Ahamba pudding.
He can
Thola
go.
manje la.
Like, ngiphila nalabantu.
Ngikwazi nokuthi
Ngiphila nalabantu mos mina.
At the very least, but mina ongikhalela ukuthi at least ithi ngibone ukuthi niskimana kanjani kahle kahle. Ungathi mawuzothi I think another thing isixabanisayo esikwatisayo as guys njengoba shuthando. I would say probably in the way someone might also explain lento le.
Okay.
You know, like uthole intombazana uyitshele, or rather you tell as a guy like, hey Joe, angithandi mani yazi ukuthi uskimana nabafana. Or,
Yeah.
I don't understand your relationship. Could you explain it to me?
Yes.
And then intombazana ithi, hayi wena ungazongitshela wena awusubabami wena. Sewuzongitshela ukuthi
Yeah, so
uskime bani,
defensive,
ngingaskimi bani,
aka
so what
explain,
Yes. So I
yes.
think iyenye into ebanga inkinga leyo
Yeah.
sometimes.
But I think it's also your approach. If you're saying, because you have to say it like that, because you know what, I'm not understanding this relationship.
Yeah, yeah.
Clarify what's what with you and these people.
yes.
I'm not comfortable, but maybe try and make me understand. Then that person should respond in the same
And also
energy.
definitely
But if you
depends.
come at me with, yeah, when I'm talking about fana, then obviously now you
obvious,
now
obvious,
subabami.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, all goes in approach.
It
Yeah.
also depends ukuthi ukhuluma nobani. Because you can speak
Okay.
to someone who takes everything as an attack.
yeah.
It'll definitely be an
no,
attack.
that-
Noma ngabe uyibeka kanjani.
Leyo sekuzaba inkinga yami phela nami. Why ngijwayelane danda kanti nami? Why? I mean, come on now.
Hey, akusho.
Kufanele ngiboke ukuthi lo muntu lo mosuhluzile lo engqondweni. Mina that's why I always say think of the kids, guys. Angaba muhle umuntu mara zithi mzane
Homework.
Iyenzwa bani le homework? Angeke sipede umsoyithu phela.
Udog when?
Hayi,
Uzobani
mina
homework?
shem,
Anginabo abangani abadog
Hayi,
mina. What are you
mina-
saying about
mina-
me?
hayi, mina ngidonsa.
Oh.
Awazi bathi
Oh, this outfit is actually really nice. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. You were saying.
anywho we digress.
We digress. I can't believe you used this word wrong for a whole year.
Yo,
What
wait,
did you used to say? No. You heard me saying, I digress.
Yeah.
He was
Oh,
using
please.
it the whole time. No, he didn't know what it meant.
So
Like
Begavela
everything.
We
Digress.
just in the
digress.
context.
Yeah,
So
every
when we
little
look to
thing.
you and I digress.
Yeah.
It's to win.
Yeah, Mami, hey, I think it's a Saturday today. Yes, I digress. It is Saturday.
Like, I concur.
So pretty much njengamagamanxe now. Same thing.
Yeah, he didn't know
Gamanxe
ukuthi
story.
amagamanxe hora lesikhombisa
Gamanxe.
igamanxe lesikhombisa
Yes.
ukuthi chaza ukuthini. Ngambuza.
Doesn't that mean
Yamani.
smash on the dot?
No, half
What
past.
does that mean?
So yeah,
I thought it meant o'clock.
No, half past.
I mean, again, I didn't even know what it was half past.
Oh, half past. Igamanxe lehora lesikhombisa is 7:30.
I just thought it was a catchy thing they said. Like, hey,
Yeah,
that
right.
is fun.
I remember you. Oh, he also has something once. Scams. Content confused. Okay. Abantu babathi, at least 12 people. At least 12 people died. At least, excuse me.
Oh, we're going to
At least, yeah.
Yeah.
Yangithikazisa, like, what? Okay. Good. Ushone labo bantu. What?
Problem iqala ngathi bathina abamnyama ngoba thina
Nah.
sithi at least.
Yeah.
And who
yeah.
at least do at least.
At the very least.
At the very
At the
least.
very least. Man.
And then when wow.
Ngitshela man at least no shame yazi man i-right
Yeah, shame.
yeah
Hmm.
muhle shame
Yeah, muhle shem yena.
I don't know I always feel like anything that comes with the shame nje ngathi ayikho serious
Knowledge
that's a
void.
bit disingenuous man
Shem.
Shem. Yeah, shem. Hi.
Yeah, Shem yena, Shem.
Ayinabhora shem.
Hayi Shem yo.
Ngiyabhora shem.
Angazi ukuthi sifike nini
Siyabonga
kule nto
amagama anxe
esiyikhuluma.
ihora lesikhombisa. Sicela nihambeni kahle, nisaleni kahle, niphilisaneni, nimbathisane ngengubo
Oh
yemvisiswano.
Mambathi man oh my gosh yeah Shando it up guys
Oh
come
my
on now.
God.
Oh, yo I mean what's the day without some Shando come on now oh my gosh
Umthiyi uShandu. Hayi bo. Get out of here. Get out of here. Bukan.
Oh my god, you're so dramatic.
damn it
You are so dramatic.
Vala uhlelo sisi, vala
ngiyabonga man
uhlelo.
escapes I work for
Angisho
Ant, man.
kumangela ungifanele uhlelo ngithi nange bakhamfathi kwami kukhona la. This is my house.
Valela isicapha kwakho.
Hawu.
Ngivala isicapha
Hawu,
sakho.
truth ufike wathi hayi
Yeah,
akusengizophekela ubaba la ekhaya.
Yebo nje
Hawu.
sengiyombondela
come
ibaba vele ubaba nje namanje uyophakelwa yimina. Ngiyongena vele ngiyolala ezingubeni zakho esayidini lakho. Oh,
I know but so sister wife. Yes.
inoba.
Kusho bani ukuthi ngifuna sister wife ni.
Bano
Okay.
ngifuna nje. Nondoda guys, nondoda, no madoda. Phansi na ngamadoda.
Thank you for
Phansi
watching the
ngabantwana.
episode, guys.
Ningamithini.
Ningamithi guys. Guys,
Kanti obani
abafana
lo
basile.
mithile nina nibhizi nikhala ukukhuluma ngokumitha kangaka
Sikhulumeni ngokumitha.
I could have sworn you guys have mentioned this before
Maybe
man,
wena
in this
umithile yazi,
episode.
maybe so uzwa
Ukuthi we
izimo.
have
Oh,
mentioned
no,
it before
no.
in this episode.
Yeah
Never.
No.
Ningamithi.
Guys, ngicela ukunitshela ne. If your boyfriend is convincing you to have a baby, don't do it because uzokushiya nalo mntwana. Bese mina ngizokutshela ukuthi uyibhari because what were you doing? If you're going to have a baby, make sure that you want to have that baby because if not, that man's going to leave you with that baby and then you're going to hate the baby because then he made me have this baby. I don't even like this baby. He looked like his damn daddy with this big ass head.
But I think apart from locals games as well I think genuinely the woman
Skip
has
it.
to be
Episode pelile. Ngiyadlala khulu.
Joe
Uyanaba.
Ngiyadlala khuluma scams, ngiyadlala khuluma.
Solivaliwe uhlelo.
no ngithi man lento oyishoyo wena kamashele to add on it ukuthi vele I think the woman has to vele want the child nangapha the reasons also depend on why afuna umntana at that
Yeah.
time because abanye abantu they make the mistake of mhlambe ayisani relationship yethu ngathi yabhora or ngathi we losing that spark let's make a baby
It's gonna make
Umntana
things
khona
worse.
lapho. Yeah, and then mase sihlukana lana so uzonda umntana.
Yeah.
That's where the other factor of hatred comes from. So yeah, manifuna vele umuntu already mase kazimisele vele ubiyena ukuthi okay manje.
Yeah.
Yeah, impela
So
manje
ufuna ukuba
ngathi
nomntwana.
impela sengifuna ukuncelisa manje. Ngithi ngishiye nje isende lapha ngaphandle emhlabeni. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Kulungile phela.
Ningabi ke yabo Abraham sengikhuluma nabafana. Don't be Abraham, fathers of the nation with fatherless children like someone I know.
Siyabonga ukuthi nilibukelile uhlelo. Vala uhlelo sisi ngoba awu sagagamela manje.
Sisi kukwami lana. Mangathi le show iyachubeka for 3 hours, izochubeka for 3 hours.
Shiya nizocime amabone.
Angizukuzwa
Kuze
ngawe.
kuphela.
Ayivala yithi like ha.
No.
3 hours.
Yena. Valani ke ngoba nina niyazi, valani.
Valele,
Valani. Thank you for watching this episode, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share this with your friend, and just share it with everybody. Okay? Ni subscribe it. Ni nebugela bit unsubscribe. Subscribe.
Yeah.
It's free for now. Free. Subscribe and comment, man. Love to hear from you. Yeah, man.
angikublame nami ngibonile lento.
How?
Iyangithikazisa nami ngithi.
Ingibhayizisile nami
Umhlaba
kancane.
uyazula-zula.
Oh,
Kwenzakalani.
Okay, guys.
Siyabonga.
Until next time. Bye.
Asenzeni
I really hate that sound. Oh my